What's up? We're talking about wigs today. Yes, wigs. Wigs that you can buy on eBay. Is that really working? Yes, it is. Well, it's quite funny because everybody asks me where they can buy wigs and I'm like, just Google that. Actually, I just practiced in wasting my money on wigs. All my experiences that I made came from practicing, experimenting, like buying the wigs in different shops from different companies with different qualities, making my wigs myself. I have some of the DIYs which I will link, I think above. Is it still up there? I don't know. I will link it above for you so that you can check them out if you want to. I don't know, even on Instagram. If you don't check me out on Instagram. Anyways, well, even on Instagram is like that. Everybody asks me every day, like, where can I buy wigs and so on. So I thought, okay, let me wrap it up for you guys. So what did I do? I ordered a wig on eBay. Let's unpack together. First things first, I will list everything about these wigs down below. Nobody paid me for this. I paid this ish myself. And that's the point. It was about 30 bucks, I think. This one is a full wig. Like, it's described as a full wig. In my opinion, it's a half wig. It has a comb in the front, a comb in the back. Adding to that, the adjustable strap is like a string so that you can tuck it into a ponytail. Let me put that baby on. I love this wig. Summer Girl is so pretty and it's so soft. I don't like the scent, to be honest, but it's not that bad as other wigs are, and it doesn't look that shiny. I really like it. I didn't even put any hairspray on it or something to make it look more dull or natural or matte. It's really fluffy. It's really, I think it's even okay that there's not that much hair. I don't want it to be, else I would have ordered a afro wig, but this one is really natural for summer. I love the glow. There are several colors that this piece comes in. Here are some, for example, color 1, 1B, 2, 4, BO, B5, whatever. You need to check it out. A lot of colors, and I think I found my perfect color. Let's move on to the next wig. That's Venora. Venora is a 5-inch lace wig, lace part wig. That means the lace part is constantly, you can change it, you can put other parts in it. And let me turn it inside out so that you can see the inside of the wig. This is the way it looks like. It has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back and the adjustable strap. Actually, just like a wig looks like. What I forgot to say is that the Summer Girl and Venora is heat resistant to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, I think. Yes, and it comes in many colors as well. This is the color I choose. This is color warm brown, like FF warm BRN for warm brown. This one, or this piece, cost around 30 bucks as well. So all in all, I think I paid 70 euros for 2 wigs and the shipment, like the shipping. I think the shipping was about 20 euros as well, but I think it's quite okay. Actually, in Germany, it's much more expensive to get a wig. And both of them are synthetic. That's the other part. Actually, you can have a human hair wig, maybe a bob for 100 euros. I bought 2 synthetic wigs for 70 euros. They last for a while if you like take good care of them. Then they last for about, for me, it's no problem, 1 or 2 years, then you're fine. I don't wear them like every day, so that's not a problem because I have a lot of wigs. Just like my mood, change my hair. I don't care. Okay, let me put this baby on and show you how it looks like on me. All right, guys, I really like Venora. I like Venora. Well, next time I would choose another color because these colors are kind of a little bit too much for me. You can obviously see that that's a wig, honey. The thing is, I have to be honest with you, I have a quite small head. So if you buy this wig, you might have trouble if you have a bigger head. For me, it's perfect. I just left some hair out. I think if you put a little bit I think if you put a little bit styling gel on it, it will really look on fire. I didn't pre-plucked anything, put any foundation on it, and it's all good. Okay, I'm kind of a natural person. I don't like to do too much of the styling gel things, whoop, like swoop, what you gonna do? That's not my thing. I'm like natural baby hair, let it fly because it's natural. So I like it more this way, and I like my wigs with more volume in it. So this one is perfect. I really do like it. So yeah, as I said, if you have a big head, think about it twice. And if you're a little bit color shy, think about it twice, but you have a big range in palette of colors, so just choose wisely. Oh my god, it sounds so sexy. Choose wisely. Guys, if you want to see more of trying and testing videos, let me know down below. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any videos. And if you have any ideas, any video ideas, let me know as well so that I can think about making more videos talking or testing and trying out. So see you in the next one. Love you. Mwah!